everybody, welcome to the Chemistry News. My name is Yvette Zapata and we go to see different interesting topics about chemistry. But what is chemistry? Chemistry is the study of the composition, properties and behavior of the matter. Chemistry is present in our daily life and is important for everybody. The medicine is related with the chemistry, but to understand this, we go to Valkyria. Can explain us about the contribution of chemistry in medicine.
Chemistry is very important for the medicine because it helps to create new ways to combat the illness and to detect it, and it is always in constant evolution. It's a portable, power-free test to the rapid detection of bacterial resistance to the antibiotics. It has been developed by academics at Loughborough University and University of Reading. The new test term lab on a stick is an inexpensive microfluidic strip, comprising of tiny test tubes about the size of a human hair, capable of identifying bacterial found in urine samples, of checking if they are resistant to a common antibiotic.
Chemistry is behind the production and processing of the food. So let's go with Alexandra to talk about the application of the chemistry.
It's more important to humans than having enjoyed nutrition to food. The chemistry involves the processing, packing, preserving, storing, and distribution of food. Also, study the properties of the proteins, fats, starches, carbohydrates, and to determine how each works in a food system. Agriculture and food chemistry involve into all aspects of crop and animal. The common goal is to produce sufficient nutrition, food, safety, and quality. Also, feed to support the population in a sustainable way. In the future, genetic modification could be aimed at altering the nutrient containing on food, reducing this allergen potential, or improving the efficiency of food production.
We know the war is terrible, but behind of this, the chemistry is related. So let's go with Angela, who talk about the war.
Chemical arms are increasingly used in war. It caused the death of thousands of innocent people. But what is chemical warfare? Chemical warfare involves using the toxic properties of chemical substances as weapons. This was introduced during the First World War. The chemical arms are classified in neurotic agents or named gases. They alter or damage the central nervous system, for example, sarin gas. Shocking agents. They cause damage in lung, for example, chlorine. Blood agents. Interfere in cell breathing apparatus, for example, xenon. Vesicular agents. They cause skin blisters, for example, mustard gas. The last one is radiative agents. They are by inhalation or dermal contact. In the Second World War, the gas chambers were used by Germans to kill Jews. And in more recent times, the Islamic terrorist groups have used chemical arms to attack civilian population. Of course, this type of chemistry is not good because it causes death.
Let's go with Monse, who talk about the global warming.
Good afternoon, Yvette. How we know, the term global warming refers to an increase on the Earth being global temperature because of part of Earth's ongoing ultraviolet radiation is retained by several trace gases in the atmosphere. Rose concentration has been increasing because of human industrial, commercial, and agricultural activities. These gases have the ability to absorb radiation, leading to the deathing of the atmosphere to create climates that will otherwise be the case. The atmosphere layer that protects Earth's inhabitants from some harmful ultraviolet rays is slowly rebuilding itself. According to the United Nations report published Wednesday, it's a victory for diplomacy and for science and for the fact that we were able to work together. said chemist Mario Molina, who won a Nobel Prize for his research into the ozone layer. Until my report. Good afternoon.
Julian, you can explain the possible solution for the melting of polar ice caps.
It's very related with the global warming and with the production of CO2, carbon dioxide, that comes from the production of electricity and the burning of fossil fuels. So, we can try to reduce the use of products that have growth for carbon. We can try to save energy. Also, try to reduce the use of. We can try to apply the 3R. We can reduce the waste we make. Most of them finish burning, so that increases the effects of the global warming. We have to reduce the use of products that has chlorofluorocarbons. Why? Because when that compounds gets to the atmosphere, it has a reaction with the nitrogen. So they become inoxic, and that decreases the ozone cap.